हॅलो फ्रेंड, आज आपण वॉटर ट्रीटमेंट ह्या विषयाबद्दल काही MCQ क्वेश्चन पाहणार आहे. द कोर्स नेम ऑफ दिस दॅट इज अप्लाइड सायन्स, कोर्स कोड 22202. The outcome of this topic is that use the relevant water treatment process to solve the industrial problems. The MCQ set number that is 2.3. Let's begin with few MCQ questions. Start from the number 1, that is desalination of the water is carried out by dash dash method. Desalination means to remove of the salt, dissolved salt from the waters. That is called as the desalination process, and it can be done by the reverse osmosis process. This is the last one is this. Next one is a potable water treatment does not involve. Potable water means drinking water, and that drinking water says the following methods are used, that is disinfection, demineralization, coagulation, but sedimentation does not involve. In zeolite process, calcium and magnesium salt react with the zeolites to form that is a CaMgZ, that is insoluble zeolite is formed. This is a C option is there. Excess of chlorine should be avoided during the sterilization of water because it become anesthetic and peculiar in taste. जर करता क्लोरीनचं प्रमाण जास्त झाला की तो ॲनेस्थेटिक अँड त्याचा टेस्ट देखील बदल होऊ शकतो, म्हणून तो एक्सेस अमाऊंट तो अवॉइड केला जातो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन्स. द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ कोलायडल पार्टिकल मेक्स द वॉटर टर्बिड. कोलायडल पार्टिकल जर असेल तर तो वॉटर का होतो, जास्त टर्बिड होतो, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. The process of reverse osmosis, also known as a hyperfiltration. By this filtration, yes, we can be prepare the demineralized waters. Next question. The hot lime soda process produce the water of residual hardness of dash dash. That is about the 15 to 30 ppms. ह्या रेंजमध्ये आपल्याला काय पाणी म्हणजे वॉटर प्युरिफाय करता येतो, म्हणजे सॉफ्ट वॉटर तयार करता येतो. The sedimentation is the used in the wastewater treatment to remove of dash dash particles. ऑइल अँड ग्रीस हा रिमूव्ह करता येत नाही, डिझॉल्व ऑर्गॅनिक्स किंवा डिझॉल्व नायट्रोजन रिमूव्ह करता येत नाही, म्हणजे फ्लोटेड अँड सेटल्ड particles, settleable particles किंवा impurity can be removed by sedimentation process. Next question. Which additives are added to avoid the caustic embrittlement of boiler? ज्यावेळी बॉयलरचा करोजन होत असतो ड्यू टू द कॉस्टिक, दॅट इज NaOH, तो आपला अवॉइड करण्यासाठी वी हॅव टू यूज द सोडियम फॉस्फेट इज द केमिकल्स by which yes we can be avoid the caustic embrittlement. Next question. In lime soda process, softening of water, the carbonate and bicarbonates are removed. Carbonate and bicarbonate, that is known as a temporary hardness. Temporary hardness can be removed by the limes, that is a CaOH twice in the hydrated lime is there. While sulfate and chlorides are the salts are responsible to cause the permanent hardness and can be removed by the soda ash, that is called as Na2CO3. Means the C option is correct. Next question. If lime is added in excess quantity during the water softening process, it will become, yes, alkaline in nature. Water become alkaline in nature. Lime जर करता जास्त झाला की alkaline in nature होऊ शकतो. 12th question. Permanent hardness is due to the presence of, just I told that is chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium are responsible to cause of permanent hardness. Bicarbonates are responsible for temporary hardness. Bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium, yes, it is called as a temporary hardness, just I told that. 14 questions. Which of the following is equal to 1 ppm? 1 ppm means 1 parts per million of the hardness is equal to how much is the degree Clark's. Degree Clark is that is to be given, that is equivalent value 0.07 degree Clark is there. This is a another unit of the hardness of water. 15th question. In the Chalcons conditions, dash dash is added to the boiler water to prevent the scale and sludge formation. येस, बॉयलरमध्ये आपल्याला जर करता तो स्केल अँड स्लज फॉर्मेशन प्रिव्हेंट करायचं असेल तर आपलं येस वी हॅव टू बी ॲड सोडियम हेक्सा मेटाफॉस्फेट इज अ केमिकल इज ॲडेड. 16 क्वेश्चन्स. Blow down operation is useful for removal of, this is one of the operation through which, yes, we can be remove the scale and sludge that is formed inside the बॉयलरमधून जो स्केल अँड स्लज रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी हा मेथड यूज केला जातो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कॅन बी यूज्ड ॲज अ कोऑगुलंट्स. कोऑगुलंट म्हणजे खाली बी कुठले केमिकल वापरला जातो ॲज अ कोऑगुलंट फॉर रिमूव्हल ऑफ द कोलॅयडल इम्प्युरिटीज. ऑल द above chemicals means FeSO4.7H2O, that is called as ferrous sulfide. Alum Al2SO4 thrice dot 18H2O, Na2Al. For all these chemicals are used as a coagulants. 18 questions. The estimation of the hardness of water by EDTA method involve the dash dash titration. It is called as a complexometry titration, because there is a formation of the complex, means the whatever the calcium and magnesium that is form the complex with EDTA. That's why it is called as a complexometry titrations. The conditioning of the water in the boiler itself by addition of the chemical is called as internal treatment. Last question, the maximum desirable unit according to BIS, that is Bureau of the Indian Standards, of total hardness of CaCO3 in drinking water, that should be in between, that is less than the 300 ppms. Thanks for watching this video.